Once upon a time, there was a girl named Emily. She lived in a big city in the United States. Emily was a special girl because she loved to look at the stars. Every night she would sit by her window and stare at the sky. The stars were her friends, and she dreamed of visiting them one day. Emily was very curious. She loved to read books about space. She learned about the moon, the planets, and the stars. Her favorite planet was Mars. It was red and beautiful. She wanted to go there and see it with her own eyes. When Emily was 10 years old, she decided she wanted to be an astronaut. An astronaut is someone who travels to space. Emily knew that becoming an astronaut was not easy, but she was determined. She told her parents about her dream. They were very proud of her and promised to support her. In school, Emily worked very hard. She loved science and math. She joined the science club and made many new friends. Together, they built rockets and learned about space. Emily's teachers noticed her hard work and encouraged her to keep going. As Emily grew older, her dream of going to space grew stronger. She went to college and studied astronomy and physics. She spent many nights looking through a telescope. She saw stars, planets, and even distant galaxies. It made her very happy. One day, Emily heard about a program at NASA. NASA is an organization that sends people to space. They were looking for new astronauts. Emily was very excited. She worked even harder to prepare for the test. She exercised every day to stay strong and healthy. She also studied a lot to be ready for the big exam. After many months of hard work, the day of the test arrived. Emily was nervous, but also very excited. She believed in herself and knew she had prepared well. The test was very difficult, but Emily did her best. She answered questions about space, science, and math. She also had to show that she could work well with others and stay calm in difficult situations. A few weeks later, Emily received a letter from NASA. She opened it with shaking hands. The letter said that she had passed the test and was accepted into the astronaut program. Emily was overjoyed. She hugged her parents and thanked them for their support. Emily's training at NASA was very challenging. She learned how to operate a spaceship, how to live in space, and what to do in emergencies. She also trained a big pool to practice moving in a space suit. It was hard work, but Emily loved every minute of it. After many months of training, the big day finally came. Emily and her team were going to space. They put on their spacesuits and got into the spaceship. Emily's heart was beating fast. She could not believe her dream was coming true. The countdown began. 10, 9, 8. Emily took a deep breath. 7, 6, 5. She looked at her teammates and smiled. 4, 3, 2, 1. The rocket engines roared to life. Lift off. The spaceship soared into the sky. Emily felt the power of the engines as they left their Earth. In space, everything was different. There was no gravity. So Emily and her team floated inside the spaceship. They saw the Earth from space, and it was beautiful. Emily's favorite part of the trip was seeing Mars up close. It was even more beautiful than she had imagined. Emily spent many months in space. She conducted experiments, took pictures, and learned many new things. She was very happy. When she returned to Earth, she had many stories to tell. She visited schools and talked to children about her adventures. She wanted to inspire them to follow their dreams, just like she did. Emily's journey to space showed that with hard work, determination, and a little bit of help from loved ones, any dream can come true. She proved that the stars are not so far away after all, and so Emily's story became a tale of inspiration for everyone who dreams of reaching for the stars. Astronaut. An astronaut travels to space. Telescope. A telescope is used to see distant objects in space. Rocket. A rocket is a vehicle that travels into space. Gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls objects towards the Earth. Liftoff. Liftoff is the moment a rocket leaves the ground and goes into space. Galaxy. A galaxy is a large group of stars, planets, and other space objects. Experiment. An experiment is a scientific test to learn something new. Determine. To determine means to decide or be certain about something. Emergency. An emergency is a serious, unexpected situation needing immediate action. Curious. Curious means eager to know or learn something. Support means to help or encourage. Countdown. A countdown is the counting backwards to the launch of a rocket. Mission. A mission is an important task or journey. Team. A team is a group of people working together. Operate. To operate means to control the function of something. Encourage. To encourage means to give support or confidence. Journey. A journey is a long trip from one place to another.